is up, everybody? Welcome back to TunerThings. Man, I know I've been inconsistent as fuck, and there have been so many new subscribers, and I apologize. I've been having like a third of a life crisis, and I've kind of been going through some things, and I don't really want to get into it yet, but today is my 2018 wrap-up, 2019 beginning build breakdown so far. The car is running. Still have to cut out a section of my fence to get the car moved out safely. I don't want to scratch it up. It does fit out now, but it's so tight. I'm just gonna move my gate just a tiny little bit. So that's a big project that I'm gonna be doing in the next couple days, and then we will start with some road videos. So stay tuned for that, it's gonna be super exciting. I have a list here of everything that I've spent on the car so far. It's kind of insane, but it's okay for the most part. I also have some stuff that I haven't installed yet, and we'll go over what I still have to install in the upcoming videos. Alrighty, so the first thing on this list is the CX Racing Turbo Kit. I spent $649. These are all rounded up to the nearest dollar. So that is installed. The miscellaneous Turbo Kit stuff didn't add up for some reason. $28, $39, $47 for miscellaneous turbo stuff that wasn't included in the kit. That's in a drain, oil pan drain adapter, oil drain line, oil pan gasket, and a billet oil drain fitting. So all of that related to the oil drain. Turbo excess blow-off valve, not installed yet. So that's gonna be coming up. That was $40, I restored that. I'll see if I can find a video of doing that. Glowshift oil filter sandwich adapter, $28. Wastegate dump pipe, $35. Both of those are installed. My fuel pump, got it for 30 bucks online, not installed. That's coming up soon. My K&N crankcase breather vent, $15. My K-Tune short throw shifter, not installed yet, $244. My front upper strut bar, not installed because I've been doing so much work, but that's still coming up, $22. My Energy quick release steering wheel hub, $80. I do have a steering wheel. I didn't include that on this because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it yet. All right, so then the ghetto ass Enkei Wheels that I have, they're $100, 17s, and I don't want 17s on this car, so I'm gonna be probably trying to trade those out. I got some Riken Raptor ZR tires for $224. Rotors and Pads, which have not been installed yet. Those are probably coming up really soon. $221. I did not cheap out on rotors and pads. I spent just as much on those as I did my tires, as I did the short shifter. A lot of money in those. They're decent. It's all for performance right now. I'm gonna be upgrading the turbo and stuff like that after everything's settled. I did buy a rebuild kit, but I'm not including that until I do the rebuild. As far as cosmetics go, shift boot, $12, not installed. Fenders, both of them, $89. Those are installed in a previous video. Front lip, $30, not installed yet because the bumper's not on. Boiler, $60, that's definitely in a video. My headlights, $53, those are installed. LED headlight bulbs, $61, those are installed. Fog lights, not installed, $34. Spoon replica mirrors, $32. Those are installed but not wired. I still have to solder the wire connections for that, so that will be in a video coming up. Front grille was 16 bucks. Fuck yeah, that's cheap. Been once installed, but it is not installed currently. I have a new valve cover that I'm going to be finishing up sanding and then painting. That was $16, not installed yet. Electronics, E28 ECU with a couple chips was $130. ECU jumper harness was $23. Oats ostrich, which allows me to tune without burning a chip, $175, absolutely worth it. Chip burner, $45, which I haven't used yet. My Glowshift boost gauge was $43. AEM Wideband Gauge was $162, and my turbo timer was $50. Those are installed. As far as interior goes, I have some seats. I hate those. I'm not even gonna include those. Triple pod pillar was $37, that's in. K2 motor seat mounting brackets are 50 bucks, those are in. And that brings the grand total to $2,852. Total cost, including the car, is $4,052. That's a lot, but there are certain things I didn't want to cheap out on. The turbo kit, I did want to cheap out on because it's my first time building a turboed Honda, so I kind of just wanted to dip my feet in. For 650 bucks, I think that was okay. I don't plan on that stuff lasting more than a couple passes. My not so budget build. Everything here was bought on eBay, Amazon, or Wish, with the exception of the ostrich and K-Tune stuff, which was bought on their websites. Yeah, so got a lot of stuff coming up. Let's see if we can give a quick rundown of videos to come up. So you've got the new blow-off valve video, fuel pump, and injectors. I still need to purchase those. My short shifter, the upper strut bar, the quick release steering wheel hub, wheels, tires, Wheels are on, tires need to be mounted, rotors and pads need to be done, shift boot, front lip, fog lights, mirrors need to be wired up, put the grill on, paint the valve cover. Let me know in the comment section below what color you think I'm gonna be painting this car. I'm gonna be doing that as soon as I purchase a little bit of a shelter outside that I can back the car into so I don't do it in here. Alrighty, so in this video, we've just done a quick recap of what I've spent, where I am, and where I'm going. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will check in with you guys next week. Peace out.